Ready to elevate your designs from simple to stunning by diving into the powerful world of Adobe Illustrator's Mesh Gradient. Okay, let's start by creating a basic shape, like a circle. Using the shape tool, fill it with any color you like for now. This gives us a base to work on. Now, select the mesh tool. It looks like a mesh grid icon. In the toolbar, click on your shape. Click inside your shape to create the first mesh points. These are the starting point of your gradient structure. You'll see lines forming a grid. Click again anywhere within your shape or the grid to add more mesh points. Each point you create will affect the gradient flow. Next, grab the direct selection tool. That's the white arrow. Click on any single mesh point to select it. Then, go to the color panel and apply a new color to that point. Watch how it changes. You can select multiple points by holding down the Shift key and clicking them. Experiment with different colors on different points, creating different gradients by selecting more points. Notice how the colors blend softly, creating a more complex and interesting shading effect than a standard gradient. To refine and play with your mesh, you can move the mesh points with the direct selection tool, or add anchor points with the pen tool. You can also convert mesh points to smooth or corner points for sharper transitions. The possibilities are limitless. See how versatile mesh gradients are. From smooth lighting in illustrations to intricate effects in abstract art, the mesh tool is your secret weapon. Now go out there and create some visually stunning designs.